Let me show you how you can copy and paste a text on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The universal way to copy a text is by pressing and holding your finger on that text or a word. So usually you start with a single word, but then you can grab by these blue icons that we have, these drops in the bottom left and bottom right corner to extend the range. So you should be able to, of course, just decide how long the text should be that you want to copy, of course. And of course you can adjust it pretty easily. Once you select the text, you will see that we have the copy option above it. So just tap over here and then the text is copied. Pretty straightforward. Now in order to paste it, usually if you tap on a text field, as a place where you can write a text, on the keyboard, once it appears at the top, you have the clipboard with that text. If you tap on it, then it's going to be immediately written. In case you don't see it, you can also open the clipboard, so you have the clipboard button here at the top of the keyboard again, and then you should be able to find the text in here. You can just tap on it to paste it. Or another thing that you can do, you can press and hold your finger on the area where you want to paste the text, and then we have the paste option as well. There we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.